Hey guys, this is a kind of bonus issue. I finally got my e.l.f. package that I had ordered, and so I kind of wanted to do an unboxing, and Kristen wants to give you a list of her favorite items for the month.
This isn't favorite items of the month. This is what I do my skincare. It was asked for exactly what my skincare was, so that's what this is.
Okay. Go ahead.
Oh, you want me? No, okay. All right. So I usually take a wipe, and I know I'm harder on my eyes than I should be because you're not supposed to pull them around, but I take a wipe and I take all my makeup off. Then with one of those round cottony things, Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean Tone. It's fresh balancing lotion. This stuff is amazing. I use it after I use the wipes, and then that's that. Then I use the Neutrogena. This has been for always. Like right now I'm on this. I'm not on Used to the People, but this is it. And then once a day, it doesn't have to be night or whatever. We got this in, I don't remember what box, but it's really good. It's the first oil or whatever you call it, I don't know, that I've ever used. And
yeah, you don't normally like oils at all.
I put it on over my Neutrogena. Like when the Neutrogena soaks in and is dried, then I add that. Now, I'm supposed to do it probably once a week. You don't want to do it anymore with this stuff. It will take your skin off, literally, if you if you don't. It's just a quarter size amount that you need, and then you scrub. So I'm supposed to do this once a week.
That comes from Norway.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. It's Norway.
Those people have pretty skin.
Oh, I forgot to add. This is like really important. This is awesome. This is micellar water from Simple. I can use this instead of the Estee Lauder. Sometimes I just use this on my eyes instead of the Estee Lauder. So this is really, really good. And the other stuff is just, I haven't started using it yet, so I won't show it.
You sure?
That's it.
Okay. All right, so it came in this box. I haven't actually taken anything out of the box, which is rare for me.
She peeked.
All I did was peek at it. That's it, and I didn't take it out. So for me, that was a big deal. Yeah, here it is. e.l.f. is really doing a lot nicer. They're coming up in the world, so where's my list?
Probably on the bottom.
Yeah. Well, no, it was on the top of that thing. I already threw it away. Oh, well, that's okay. I honestly don't know what was free and what wasn't. They gave me 2 free items. I cut all this stuff out, but I know they're reusing it, and I think that's great. I'm down for that,
Yeah.
Okay. Holy. All right. So I ordered these 2 things together, the multi-dimensional face and body powder and the brush to go with it. Is it showing up?
Yes, it is. Yeah, don't worry if it doesn't look like it. It does.
It's very, honestly, I wanted that brush. I didn't even know what it was for. I just wanted it.
Your face, just all over your face.
Yeah, and then I got the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette, like what Chris did yesterday. I got this. I got the liquid glitter eyeshadow eye stuff, glitter queen, disco queen. I can't talk.
It'll get there eventually.
Then I got the Dream On lip gloss. I don't know if it shows.
It will.
Okay, and then I got these were free, and so I picked this one. It's called Blushing Rose by e.l.f. and it's beautifully bare smooth matte eyeshadow. I can't tell if it shows up. And then I got the Smooth and Set Eye Powder Sheer. These were freebies. If you ordered anything over $25, they gave you 2 free things. So that was what I got on my little mini haul. I'm very excited about it, and I can't wait to use it. You know, because for me, you know, Kristen knows me. I'll never buy a whole bunch of stuff together unless it's really, 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 really cheap. And this time, even though it was inexpensive compared to other things, to me, anything's expensive. So this right here, I normally wouldn't even pay $10 for a brush. But I like it.
It's a nice one.
I mean, I really, well.
She's having the same problem I had yesterday.
Yes! Ooh, okay. There we go. Now maybe it'll come out. I don't know how they get these things in there, to be honest with you. That's one. Ooh, that's so pretty, Kris. Oh my God, it's
That isn't going anywhere.
Guys, look. Isn't that gorgeous? Simply gorgeous. I'm excited. Ooh, that is super soft. Oh my Lord.
From a distance, that looks like a bronzer.
Yeah, it does. It says it's multi-dimensional face and body shimmer.
So
it's for your shoulders, like if you want to put it on your shoulders and things like your décolleté. I guess. Crap. Okay. I just want to look because it does look like it has a lot of that, whatever that shiny stuff is.
glitter, yeah.
That's not really showing up, is it?
It'll be there.
I don't know. Look at that. It's like little white dots in
I
there.
don't want to touch it because I don't know what you're donating or putting in the giveaway or not.
I don't know right now. I doubt very seriously I'm putting this one in the giveaway or the brush for real.
Well, I knew.
I mean, So this was it. That was it for my haul. Thank you so much for taking time to watch it. I appreciate it. And Kris and I both really love y'all a lot. So we hope you're having a good weekend.
Yeah, I keep forgetting it is weekend.
Yeah, it's Saturday.
All right, like, comment, and subscribe if you like these kinds of videos. I kind of went through my skincare fast. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments or email me. I can help you that way.
Yeah, there you go.
But I just didn't want it to drag out. So wherever you are, I hope you are well, and we will see you on our next video.
Toodles.
Bye, guys.